die Verbrennung der Amerikaner.
What is up, my beautiful mates of YouTube? My name is Aussie Marcel, and in today's video I'm going to be reviewing David Beckham's Classic Blue. But before I talk about that, I'm going to mention my fragrance of the day, and it is Prada Amber Pour Homme. It's warm, but it's also very soapy, and it's quickly rising up the charts in my heart of favorite fragrances, and I never thought I would say that about a soapy scent. If the rumors are to be believed online, it has been discontinued, so if you've not smelt that one yet, you can still pick it up here in Australia for under $100. If you like soapy fragrances, super versatile fragrances, definitely check that one out before it gets too difficult to find and too expensive. So, David Beckham's Classic Blue. This is the blue version of David Beckham's Classic, and the presentation, blue box with white accents. It looks nice, it is basic, but I only paid $12.99 for this from Chemist Warehouse, and at that price, average packaging is more than adequate. Now, the bottle looks identical to David Beckham's Classic, except blue. The bottle looks decent. It's, if you like blue, this is going to appeal to you. It's going to look nice on a shelf. I know a lot of older Australians have themed bottles around their house, and so they like to collect, for instance, green bottles and put stacks and rows of green bottles up, or they like to put blue bottles. So if you're somebody that likes blue bottles and blue accented things, this is going to be worth checking out, especially at such a low price. But I know that's probably not why you're checking out this video. You want to know how it smells. And atomizer is decent. Fresh, aquatic, sweet as well, fruity sweet. David Beckham's Classic Blue smells like the perfect in-between between Nautica Voyage and Nautica Voyage Heritage. It's got that sort of light fruitiness of Nautica Voyage, but it's got the vetiver spice, the fresh vetiver, clean green spice of Nautica Voyage Heritage. If you're somebody that wants a fragrance that's at a similar price point and performs sort of around the same ballpark as those scents, then David Beckham's Classic Blue is going to be worth checking out. The fruitiness in David Beckham's Classic Blue makes this one stand apart from either of those two scents though, and it actually reminds me of a significantly more expensive fragrance, Versace Man Eau Fraiche, which is a great scent, especially because you pay less than $100 Australian for 200 ml or 6.7 fluid ounces. It's pretty similar to Versace Man Eau Fraiche. Another fragrance that it's very reminiscent of is David Beckham's Infinite Aqua, which is pretty recent. This is fresher and more aquatic though. So if you're somebody that likes your fresh aquatic scents, if you like a little bit of fruity sweetness, then Classic Blue is going to be worth checking out. And at $13 Australian, it's very affordable to pretty much anyone. It's going to make a great Christmas gift for a teenager. We're just about that, well, we actually are technically in summer right now. So as far as summer scents go, affordable summer scents, this is a great option. Definitely check this one out. You know, at that price point, it's worth picking up. It smells very similar to Versace Man Eau Fraiche, so if you want something like that that's even cheaper, that's sort of like a blind wear that you can just chuck in your bag and apply it after you shower or after you work out at the gym, this is a very solid option, and it ranks right up to the top of the David Beckham fragrances. I'm a big fan of the David Beckham fragrances. They get a lot of hate online from, elitists and haters, so I don't know. I think it's the price point. They just assume everything that's cheap is useless, but there is always a place in the market for fragrances like this. If you've ever worn it before, let me know in the comments below. I can't wait to hear what you guys have to say. And until the next video, my name is Aussie Marcel, and I'll catch you guys around.